Look how loose these are. No wonder it wasn't watertight. I almost think I can cut it with a razor. Oh. Gross. I guess I'll get in there with a Sawzall and cut the tip. Minor scuff. It's in there somewhere. Just pretty cool, right? The other side surprised me when it fell out. Nice. Okay, now that the old exhaust is out, I have 2 holes in the back of the hull, and when this sits in the water line is above these holes, so if I don't plug these up, the boat will sink in probably 5 seconds. So I need to make a wood plug to go in them, and then I'm gonna fiberglass it over and make it look as clean as I can. I know it's never gonna be as good as the factory finish, but I'm gonna try my best. I already cut one out from right here. This is just some good hard particle board, so, or plywood I should say. Nice. Yeah. Stuck on a bit. There we have it. Now we got 2. Alright. I almost didn't record it, but I'm poking more holes in the boat. I changed out the old steering system. So I finally got the old one out. It was kind of stuck. And I have the plate for the new one, but the holes don't line up, so I need to drill some more holes. So. Hold this where I want it so it's not overlapping on any of the old ones. I'm gonna go right there. This might take a while. Well, I messed up. I did not record anything after drilling the holes for the steering system. Pretty sure I did, but it's not on the camera, so that's another story. So look, I have everything mounted. The rack, I don't know if you can see, it might be too dark, is underneath. So I have the steering column, the steering cable goes in through the back of the hull, and I have everything hooked up. The last piece of the puzzle that just came in anyway, that was on Saturday that I did all that, and now today is Monday. And here's my steering wheel, came in today, so now that I have the cover off to show you guys, I might as well install the steering wheel and just be done with the steering system. So the last thing is to fix the back of the boat, the hull, with the fiberglass, and then I'm good to throw an engine in. So I don't know if I'm going to record the rest of it, so that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Like and subscribe. Bye now. Done.